Hi, I'm Stuart and today I'm getting an EV charger installed. Having the EV charge, I'm going to be able to charge my car up twice as quick as what I could previously. This particular charger, I chose it for two main reasons. I think it looks really nice, it's going to look great on my house, and also the price is very competitive when you look at all the other options on the market. I know E.ON has got a really good reputation, so for me it was a no-brainer to reach out and ask E.ON to come out and install it for me. It was just really easy. I asked if I could have the EV charger fitted on my house, and I was contacted via email initially, and that was followed up by a quick video call. Spoke to someone I could see the face, it was great. I just had to walk around the house and outside near the garage just so they could see how my house is laid out, where my meter box is, etc. And then from there, the appointment was booked. Got a knock on the door this morning. They come to install my charger. We agreed the location where the charger was going to be sited on my house, and he just confirmed what he's going to be doing throughout the day. Then I could just let him get on and do it. Power was off for probably 10 minutes at most, so it wasn't really that inconvenient. And it's only taken 3 or 4 hours for it to be installed. They've been great to work with, really professional. Their property was left clean and tidy like they'd never been here. Sam taught me through how to download the app and how to set that up. I knew that if I needed any support, who to contact, because all those details had been left with me. Friends and family are really curious about it. I'd highly recommend that if they get an EV, they also get an EV charger to go with it. And if they do, I'd highly recommend E.ON. I'd say overall, the experience has been fantastic.